We will be discussing ellipse with center at origin or at point 0, 0. Ellipse is a series of points where the sum of the distances from two fixed points are always the same. The fixed points are called foci, singular focus, or plural foci. For example, we have an ellipse. The fixed points of the ellipse are A and B. For example, point C, which is on the ellipse, has a distance of 3 from A and a distance of 4 from B. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Another point, point D, on the ellipse, has a distance of 2 from A and a distance of 5 from B. So 2 plus 5 is also 7. Any point in the ellipse has a distance with a sum of 7 from point A and B. Now the standard form of the ellipse, this is for the horizontal ellipse and this is for the vertical ellipse. A is greater than B. The difference between the horizontal and the vertical, under the horizontal, the denominator under x squared is greater than the denominator on the y squared. For the vertical, the denominator for y squared is larger than the denominator for x squared. A is the distance from the vertex, major vertex, to the center. B is the distance from the minor vertex to the center. And C is the distance from the focus to the center. The relationship of A, B, and C is given by this equation. It is easier to explain with an example. What is the equation of an ellipse with foci at -3, 0 and 3, 0 and vertices at -5, 0 and 5, 0? So in here, we can see that A, this is -5, 0, this is 5, 0, this is -3, 0, and this is 3, 0. We can see that A has a value of 5 and C has a value of 3. Now we can compute for B using this equation. So C squared is equal to A squared minus B squared. So substituting our values, we have 3 squared is equal to 5 squared minus B squared. So transposing, we will have B squared is equal to 5 squared minus 3 squared. So B squared is equal to 25 minus 9. B squared is equal to 16. So taking the square root of both sides, B is equal to 4. Now we have the value of A and value of B. We can now write the equation. X squared over A squared, which is 5 squared, plus Y squared over B, which is 4 squared, is equal to 1. Or we can rewrite it as x squared over 25 plus y squared over 16 is equal to 1. So this is your equation. Let us now reverse the question. Draw this equation. Draw a curve of this equation. So we can see that this is an ellipse. Now 25 is larger than 16, which is under x, so we have a horizontal ellipse. So if we rewrite this, 25a squared is equal to 25. So a will be 5 and b squared is equal to 16. So b is equal to 4. So the distance is 5 from the center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the major vertices. So the minor vertices is a distance of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your ellipse. Now we can solve for the focus. Is a distance of c, so c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. So c, so your a squared is 25, your b squared is 16, so c squared is 9. So your c is 3. So the distance of your focus from to the center is 3. So 1, 2, 3, this is your first focus. And 1, 2, 3, this is your second focus. And this is your curve.